I want to know Asa. Where is Asa? Oh my gosh.
You're looking for me, right?
Yeah. Where are you? I'm looking at you.
I'm still looking out for this place.
Oh.
You know, I found a berry here. Even it's
Berry?
not ripe yet.
Oh.
It's Mirante berry.
Mirante berry.
The shape is almost the same like a blueberry,
Oh.
but the taste is different and the color is different.
Oh yeah.
But sadly, there isn't any ripe yet,
Oh.
and the fruit are ripe.
Mhm.
But you know, I have promised with you that we're gonna show the fertilizer, right?
Yeah.
We're
That you have make 2 weeks ago.
That's right. 2 weeks ago, and I have already fermented.
Oh.
I have already promised to you like 3 days ago that I want to take you to see the result, right?
Oh yeah.
And you know what? I think we have successfully made the fertilizer.
Okay.
Because all of them, I think it's going to show a sign or a remorse. Not it's
How
a
do
sign.
you know that your fermentation is utterly succeeded?
Because I have some prediction in my mind.
Oh.
I can imagine it if I already wrap it in a dark place, you know.
Mhm.
So the humidity
Yeah.
and the darkness still it's still
Oh.
safe there.
Oh, so
I
it's
keep-
probably it's success and it's work,
Probably.
right?
Or 80% it will be successful, I guess.
Okay.
Because I have already stored all of the fertilizer there in the dark place and the humid place.
Oh.
So the fertilizer and the microorganisms still safe there.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god, guys. When you stumble here
Yeah.
and hearing a lot of bugs chirping, it's
Yeah.
such a heaven, guys.
Yeah.
It's heaven.
Heaven.
You probably never seen the place like this before.
Yeah.
And you know what?
It's wow. It's full of
Beautiful.
green here, beautiful, silent,
Yeah.
peaceful. Wow.
It's like a Brian Adams song, Heaven.
Yeah. Heavens. All right.
We made it from heavens. You know, like
Oh,
the
yeah.
song from Queen also.
Yeah.
Here in heaven. And the Brian Adams, Heaven.
Mhm.
I heard a lot of
Oh, thinking about
That's
all
right.
wonder years.
Baby, you're all that I want.
Oh my God! You can sing that song.
Of
Oh
course
my
I can
God.
because I love Brian Adams.
Mhm.
But I think sadly it's already being used in TikTok
Oh.
or maybe like that. So it will be remixed.
Oh.
Even though that's a great song from
Yeah.
the 80s, right?
That's right.
Maybe I'm already old enough now.
Oh
Because
yeah.
you know what, guys? Older songs have a meaning behind of it.
Oh yeah.
Not just an instrumental,
Mm-hmm.
not like a pong, not like
Yeah.
EDM.
Yeah.
That's not the song.
Oh.
That's not just a entertainment.
Yeah.
The song must have an art in it.
Okay. Right.
Okay. Without any further ado, let's go to the fertilizer. you know?
Okay.
Because
I'm curious.
I think I'm too much talking about the music, right?
Oh yeah.
Because I
What-
love music that much.
Oh yeah. Me too.
I've seen music is an art,
Mm.
not just entertainment.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god. That's a jackfruit here.
Oh, check.
Falling. Yeah. It's falling all over here.
Oh yeah.
We didn't. I press it because it's not us, guys.
Yeah.
It's not ours. There. Look it up.
Oh, there.
I have already
Oh.
keep it on the safe place.
You keep it there.
Yeah, I keep it there. Like
Oh.
in the previous video, I made it there, right?
Yeah.
So I
You
keep
make it there,
also.
and you keep it there too.
That's right.
All right.
Because here the rain is not going to coming down
Yeah.
because it's all being protected by the leaf.
Oh yeah. It's full of
Full of leaves.
leaf here.
Because we are in the middle of nowhere.
Oh yeah.
And I'm feel like in the previous video, I feel
Yeah.
like a nowhere man.
You an old man?
Yeah,
Oh my
I'm a
God.
nowhere man. In his nowhere land,
In the nowhere land.
like a no. He's a real
Nowhere man. Sitting in his.
nowhere land. Look at it.
Oh. Oh, it is?
Cover it with few of the leaf here, so
Oh.
the humidity will keep here.
Yeah.
It's all safe. It's all done by the nature.
Mm-hmm.
That's
Oh my
why
God.
I love nature that much, guys. Because like I have already said it too many times, I guess,
Yeah.
that the nature is providing us of everything.
Oh yeah.
Here, more closer now. I will open all of this treasure
Okay.
in 3, 2,
2,
1.
1. Oh.
Yesterday we make a 4 fertilizer, right?
Yep. I remember that
2 weeks ago.
2 weeks ago.
And the stone,
Yeah.
I stump all of the ingredients here.
Yeah.
And which one that you going to choose for me to review first?
I think the rabbit urine first.
The rabbit urine.
Yeah.
That's right here. Look at it.
Oh.
The colors are different, right?
Yeah.
And wait, let me smell it.
Oh.
It's already set now. This rabbit urine is already can be used.
Can be used, right?
Can be used. And you still remember the dosage, right?
Yeah.
About 150 milliliters per 15 liters of water for spraying.
Yeah.
And 200 milliliters for 15 liters water to watering.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
You still remember about that?
I remember that.
Look at it. It's a lot of it.
And you can use for many trees, of course.
That's right.
It's just one bottle.
Just one bottle. And you know what, guys? The ingredients is really easy to find. And if you ever imagine or if you ever curious how we make it,
Yeah.
just check the previous video about the rabbit urine, guys.
Okay.
I'm confident that you will not regret to watch it,
Yeah.
because you will get many knowledge there.
Yeah.
Okay. Which one? The second one, guys. Look at it. If you want to see more closer now, it's already set now.
Yeah.
Before we use it, we need to strain all of these kind of
Yes.
materials
Yeah.
up front here.
There's
and we
a
just
bubble
use,
there.
Yeah, that's right. And we just use the liquid here.
All right.
We're gonna mix with the water
Okay.
for keeping our plants to be grow more and more.
Oh, yeah.
Like in the previous video,
Yeah.
when I spraying it, and many of you surprised with the how fast the result will be shown
Yeah.
in just 3 days, guys.
2 days.
Can
That's
you imagine
right.
that?
Yeah.
And the oblivion, we never see anything like that.
Yeah. I agree that.
It's just our fertilizer mixture.
Yeah.
We make it by ourselves.
Yeah.
We try many times and we found the right mixture here.
Yeah.
Okay. So which one will you pick?
PSB?
PSB. Oh my god, I think it's the smelliest one, guys.
Yeah, that's wow. And you use what's that? It's
Egg, shrimp paste. Oh my god, I still remember about the taste of the shrimp paste. Oh, the smell of it. Miserable.
Oh yeah.
Smell of nature.
Smell of nature.
Okay, it's already set, guys. Like in the
Oh.
previous video,
And what do you think? It is work?
it's work.
The fermentation is
It's work, of course.
succeeded?
It succeeded. Like, oh, that's a gas that's coming out.
Yeah.
So it's indicated that the fermentation is already succeeded.
Oh.
And I don't want to open it, guys, because the smell is. If you want to smell it, just smell it here.
Oh.
It's like an egg, like a rotten egg, right?
Yeah.
But it's good.
It's
Because
good.
it's indicated that the
It's more smell, it's more good.
That's right. You already got my point there.
Yeah.
It's more smelly, so it's more good for our plants.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's already said, like in the previous video, I say to you, it will turn the color
PSB.
PSB,
Okay.
photosynthesis bacterium,
Oh.
to help our plant for making photosynthesis more easier
Yeah.
and more faster.
Oh my gosh.
It's the function of this fertilizer here,
Yeah.
but more smellier,
Yeah.
more faster, more healthier for our plants.
Okay.
Even though we didn't like the smell, but plants like this, we love it.
Yeah.
And you know what, guys? It's natural.
Natural.
We just need shrimp paste,
Yeah.
an egg, and sugar, I guess.
Yeah.
A sugar. And we mix it. And you said, you still remember, like in the previous video, when
Yeah.
I make this, it will turn the color, right?
Yeah.
It's already turned now.
Yeah, it's returned, right?
It's more
You're
reddish now.
Yeah.
And we're gonna strain all of it, and we're gonna use it in the next video, guys.
Yeah.
Just always keep up with us, because I will show you more and more interesting videos like this.
Okay.
I will
Darwin.
show you about anything like avocado here,
Yeah.
about nature.
Oh my god.
I promise to
It's
all of you guys.
getting more
Bushier.
fertile, bushier, and new leaf here. Oh my gosh.
Oh,
Oh, you're right, Asa.
how
So,
you-
what next that you want to show me?
just it depends on you. Just pick it
Uh,
it.
an egg?
and 8.
Yeah.
So it's like an EM4, you know.
Oh, for the composer, right?
It's the composer, and
Oh.
we'll see about it.
Oh,
You heard that sound, right?
Yeah.
Look at it. It's probably going up like this.
yeah. It means it's worked.
It worked.
It succeeded, right?
It says succeeded, like in my prediction before.
Yeah.
And if I smell it, not taste, but it smells the same with EM4.
Oh.
So, in reality, we didn't need to buy the EM4. That's
Yeah,
pretty
you can make
expensive. We can make it by ourselves.
All
With
right.
just the roots of pandan
Yeah.
and the leaf of it.
But you should sugar, right?
Sugar, of course, because the sugar and the molasses is the food for the bacterium.
Yeah.
To its grow more and more.
Oh.
And look at it. My prediction is correct?
Yeah.
It's all succeeded.
Oh
But
my
we haven't checked the biggest one, guys.
Yeah, what is it?
The auction one.
The auxin.
But you know, the smell is almost the same like EM4. You know, like
Yeah.
like when we buy it in the store.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh my God. So we can make it.
So we can make it by
We not
ourselves.
need to buy it, right?
Right. So we save a lot of money, right?
Yeah.
We will be rich easier now
Okay. Though.
because we have a lot of pendant leaf here and pendant roots.
Yeah.
We can use that for our fertilizer or decomposer here.
Yeah. So I know now the secret how to make AM4, right?
Yeah, that's right.
The decomposer.
All of you will know the secret, guys. So, in my opinion or in my heart, wants all of you not to buy it because
Yeah.
you can make it by yourself.
Yeah.
But if you didn't have any time to make it, just buy it.
Yeah.
That's the simplest solution.
And what is that?
The last one, like I said before,
Yeah.
is the auxin one.
Auxin?
Yeah, it's teasing the growth of the apical of the
Oh.
top of it.
Yeah,
like
yeah,
the top
yeah.
of the stem,
Yeah.
the top of the leaf,
Yeah.
and the new leaf.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
teasing that growth.
Yeah.
I have already opened it, guys.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, look at it. It succeeded because if you see, there's many
Yeah.
bubbles there.
Yeah.
That's the
It's mean the indicator that the
It's
fermentation is success, right?
That's right. And the bubbles here is contain a lot of microbes.
Oh.
So after this, we're gonna strain all of it.
Yeah.
And we're gonna leave the sprouted beans.
Yeah.
And we're gonna use the liquid one.
Okay.
So I promise to all of you guys, in the next video,
Yeah.
I will taste all of it
Yeah.
and I will show you the
Yeah.
result of all of this in our plants.
Oh.
So if you curious about it,
Yeah.
just wait in the next video, guys.
Okay.
Because in my opinion, our video every day will get more interesting and interesting,
Oh yeah.
and you will be mind blowing by it.
Okay.
I will post the video every day, guys. That's guys, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel because that makes our spirit burning even more to make the video like this, right?
Yeah.
And you know what, guys? We love to see your comments and your curiosity. Just if you have some curiosity, comment it in below here, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in the next adventure. Esa Artanusa, love all of you.